Rock salt caramel mocha for Miss Evelyn.
Excuse me, rock salt caramel mocha. Opo, sir. Dali na.
Sandali lang! Hey! Sa akin naman.
Eh, pero sabi tin-order sa natin. Nalita kasi ako.
Evelyn ba pangalan mo?
Ano ba? Inom ko na. James ko na to.
Sorry kung mainit na ulo ko ah. May basis kasi na kumuha ng coffee ko kanina. So, your name is Zach.
Please, I can explain.
Please, don't waste my time. Kung ano man yan, I don't care. So tell me about yourself.
So, my dad died when I was young. So, I was raised with my mother and my lola.
So you think maganda mo papalaki ng business?
I think so.
Parehas tayong tumakbo lang. Pero sabi na ko, masama ang paglako. So tell me, after all these years, bakit ngayon ka na nag-apply at trabaho?
I'm glad to ask you a question, ma'am. Well, before we had these businesses, but they didn't work out. Kaya na-realize ko na kailangan magtrabaho to get the proper experiences.
Ganun ba? Okay. Sit. Experience mo ang chair ko. So tell me, may dalawang applicants na gusto mag-apply sa assistant board manager. Yung isa, maraming experience. At yung isa, which is ikaw, wala pa. Kung ako ikaw, sino pipiliin?
I'd hire him based on his qualifications. Pero, hindi mo ba hinahanap mo dito? Kasi experience is actually not a good thing.
Oh really? And why is that?
Marami din siyang experience. So, ibig sabihin, marami din siyang failures na nagawa sa dati ng trabaho. Eh ako, fresh pa ako. And I'm willing to learn. I can use my knowledge to help your company. But I think you guys didn't serve someone like me in this company. I know you're a busy person, so I don't want to waste your precious time. Oo nga pala, have a nice day.
Paparisin mo mukha mo!
Sir, wait! I have a good news and a bad news. The good news is you were chosen as the assistant board manager and you will be working with Miss Evelyn Vallian.
Oh good, so what's the bad news?
And the bad news is you were chosen as the assistant board manager and you will be working with Miss Evelyn Vallian.
Ano na yung plano natin sa kasal?
Hello? No, wait lang, honey. Ano ba? Kailangan niyo na ipasa sa akin yun. Okay?
Ano yung plano natin sa kasal?
Gusto ko maayos yung appointment natin.
Sino mo naman ako?
Wait lang, honey. Hindi, kailangan...
Pagsabi mo naman ako, paano yung
Hindi,
kasal
kailangan
natin?
ipasa niyo sa akin
Uy.
yung bukas, okay?
Mamaya na yan.
Uy.
Masyado ka ng busy. Uy.
Bukas, mag-tiis na lang ha. After 2 years, papakasan na tayo. Mag-iipon na talaga ako ngayon, ha?
Ayoko na, Evelyn. Puro na lang pamilya mo at trabaho ang pinaprioritize mo. Eh ako, paano ako? Pinaniwalan mo lang ako eh.
Wait lang, bukas, usap na lang muna tayo.
Ayoko na, Evelyn. It's been 5 years. Tiniis kita. Bring na tayo.
Bukas!
Who's this?
My name is Zach.
Are you looking for Evelyn?
Yeah.
Yeah, come inside.
Bakit? First time na sa office. Ano ba? Nagsusugat ka na naman? Ha?
Pero hindi.
Ikaw bata ka, wala kang nagawang matino sa buhay mo ha. Sabi ng teacher mo, pagsakan na naman yung grades mo. Anong gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo? Ha? Wala ka na mapapalayan.
Alam ko ba kung bakit?
Anong wala? Anong gusto mo bakit?
I don't understand this paper.
Ah! Nangyari sa buhay? Ano ba yan?
Ma, penge ba ako?
Anong pera na naman? Humingi ka sa atin. Nasaan na nga ba si Evelyn?
Ano na naman ba yan? Puro na lang ba ako? Ako na lang lagi? Yung wala man lang ba nagtanong sa inyo kung may problema ako? Ha? Simula pa pagkabata ako na nabubuhay sa inyo. Kailan niyo ba ako iintindihin? Lagi na lang ba ako? Wala man nagtanong sa inyo kung okay ako.
Ano ba problema, anak?
Wala na kami ni Lucas, Mama. Sino yun? Uy, Zach! Kung naman nakita mo kanina sa akin, pag once na may nakaalam dito, alam mo na pangyayari sa'yo.
Yes, boss. Uy, hilingin na lang. Baka malasing ka.
Exactly! Gusto kong malaseng, gusto kong makalimot. Gusto kong makalimutan si Lucas.
Teka. Ilang years na ba kayo ng lumas?
Lucas? 5 years kami. Eh, sa'yo? Gano'n naman tumatagal yung babae mo sa'yo? Wow! 3 months? Buti ka pa, halikat na halikat. Samantala ako isa pa lang.
Eh, mga boyfriend niya. Kaya, kaya lang siguro, kaya kang gagalikan.
Kamusta ka na?
Makalaw na si baby.
Ayaw nga pala. Sige, Evelyn, mauna na ako.
Ex mo? Di ba naka-break nyo lang? Bakit hindi sila yung girlfriend niya?
Tara na nga.
Love, it's a special day. We should celebrate and appreciate that you and me found something pretty neat. And I know some say this day is arbitrary, but it's a good excuse, but I love to use, baby.
Wait lang, Zach. I'm still your boss. Maraming mawawalan sa atin.
Why?
Saka alam mo na wala bawal yung ganito sa company natin.
You're just having sex. Wait, didn't mean to say that. Uncle, what's wrong?
Well, I got diagnosed with cancer. I got what, 4 or 6 months to live? Matanda rin naman ako. At least I know when I'm gonna die. I have that at least. Wanna know a secret? You were a baby. I was the very first one to hold you in my arms. I was so proud of you. Right? When I held you in my arms, I was the only one who could make you stop crying. All I had to do was whistle this to you. And stop crying. If there's one piece of advice I can give you, it's this. Hindi mo sa sarili mo, mahalin mo sila, alagaan mo sila.
So that is our presentation for today.
Okay, now let's get ready for Miss Evelyn's department's presentation.
Okay, good morning.
Sorry I'm late.
Hayaan ko na ng aking assistant board manager.
So, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Ako nga pala si Zach Estrella. So, ang product natin ay maganda sa inyo kasi it is eco-friendly. At yun ang presentation natin ngayon.
Thank you.
Zach! Dahil sa'yo, nag-resign si Ma'am Evelyn.
Talaga? Evelyn, wait! Evelyn, kita.
Bakit, Zach?
Sa totoo, mahal kita. Swear ko sa lalim ko nasabi. Sana ako patawad.
Loving you has never felt more right this night. Love is falling from the skies with heaven in your eyes.